ROPA SITTELSDORF. In recent years, ROPA Fahrzeug und Maschinenbau GmbH in Sittelsdorf has been developed into an important production site for the manufacture of machines for harvesting sugar beets and potatoes. ROPA machines are in use in more than 40 countries around the world. In recent years, a lot of energy and capital has been invested in the development of the key operational facilities in Sittelsdorf. Due to the increasing demand for high-quality ROPA machines, new manufacturing halls have been built for production, research, and development. The robust pickup system, extended up to 10.2 m in width, has totally 18 cleaning rollers produced with a hard welded finish as standard and ensures efficient soil and weed removal. It is the widest pickup system between the other cleaning loaders on the market. Depending on the level of cleaning required, the cleaning path in the pickup system can be adjusted in length and intensity from the operator cabin. Nexat system. A massive all-in-one machine by Nexat handles every work step in production agriculture, including soil cultivation, sowing, crop protection, and harvesting. The holistic crop production system is based on an interchangeable carrier vehicle, which is driven horizontally on the field and vertically on roads. The technology needed for each step in production can be installed as a module in the system tractor, and the system can operate autonomously. The system has working widths from about 19 feet to nearly 79 feet. Nexat's electric generators are currently powered by two independently driven 550 horsepower diesel engines, but the system is prepared to be powered by green hydrogen fuel cells. As each module is integrated, its weight is transferred onto the carrier vehicle and optimized so that it becomes a self-propelled machine. ASA lift. In the 1960s, ASA lift produced the world's very first hydraulic harvester. Even though ASA lift specializes in agricultural equipment for primarily the carrot, onion, cabbage, and leek segment, they offer solutions and products that covers most of the needs met in vegetable farming in regard to harvesting. The self-manufactured products are subject to the latest technology and precision farming implementations. And should there be need for further specific solutions, ASA Lift gladly participates in the process of carefully planning and producing customer-unique products. "12-row sugar beet harvesting." The simplicity of the Parma 12-row sugar beet harvester sets it apart from the competition with its unique design of the grab roll bed. Each side of the machine is driven independently and feeds one of the 248 elevators. An overall front-to-rear dimension of less than 20 feet long allows for quick turnaround times without the need for large headlands. The hinged barriers allow the sugar beets to flow onto the rollers but prevent them from rolling back and dropping out of the head. The smaller double conveyor chains have been replaced with a single wider chain carrying more beets into the second set of rollers. The single chain eliminates an area that was prone to plugging with dirt and debris. The combination of these two improvements keeps the harvesting head cleaner while boosting capacity and flow. Oxbo corn picker. Based on the long-standing industry-leading Super Jack, Oxbo specifically developed the 2475 as a next-generation multi-crop harvester which delivers increased productivity, performance, reliability, operator comfort, and control. The Oxbo 2475 represents a new level of efficiency for sweet and seed corn, green bean, and other specialty. The 2475 can be set up to be a multi-crop harvester. The 2475 is compatible with different picking heads to harvest various crops. Picking heads for the following crops are compatible beans VPCII headers from 381 to 457 M. Picking width sweet corn 4 row CP400 or 412 row 3000 header spinach and herbs swear spinach and herbs header from 2.5 to 4 M. Picking width pepper young Edgar header. Apple Picker Robot. The robot grasps apples with a specially designed, pneumatically powered, soft gripper with 4 independently actuated fingers and suction system that grasps and extracts apples efficiently, while minimizing damage to the fruit and the tree itself. According to the team, the robot can identify more than 90% of apples within the view of its camera and a distance of around 1.2 m 4 feet. It says the machine can operate in all lighting and weather conditions and requires less than 200 milliseconds to process the image of an apple. Ponsse Scorpion King. In the Ponsse Scorpion, the focus is truly on the driver. The 8-wheeled Scorpion offers the best possible setting for efficient and productive work. The unique new crane solution offers excellent visibility in all directions, enabling smooth, flexible working whatever the conditions. Good visibility on both sides of the cabin allows for efficient and unlimited operation. The trees to be felled, felling direction and position of piles can be selected freely, keeping efficiency and eco-friendliness in mind. As the cabin is located in the middle of the machine, the driver can easily see to the extremes of even dense thinning roots. Moreover, the driver is positioned in the middle of the cabin's turning circle. When the cabin turns, the driver does not feel like he is on a carousel. This has a significant effect on comfort and well-being at work. Pumpkin Harvester. Nicholson recently launched a new pumpkin harvester that not only provides a cost-effective solution, but ensures the quality of each pumpkin is protected during harvest. Pumpkin picking during the autumn months, especially around Halloween, has remained a time-honored tradition in the USA and UK for hundreds of years. Families flock to local farms to experience the thrill of selecting their prized pumpkin to carve and display proudly at home. Supermarkets are stocked with pumpkins of all shapes, colors, and sizes, causing a rise in demand for even the most unusual of pumpkins. Virgo 1 Robot. The company's first agricultural robot, dubbed the Virgo 1, can pick tomatoes without bruising them and detect ripeness better than humans. The Virgo is a self-driving robot with sensors and cameras that serve as its eyes. Because it also has lights on board, it can navigate large commercial greenhouses any hour of the day or night, detecting which tomatoes are ripe enough to harvest. A system-on module runs the Virgo's AI software brain. A robotic arm, with a dexterous hand attached, moves gently enough to work alongside people and can independently pick tomatoes without tearing down vines. Delvano eurotrac 6000. Delvano is a Belgian company that claims to have the largest factory-installed boom on a self-propelled sprayer. The eurotrac 6000 was presented in its version with the Super Bars in January 2019 and has a 6,000-liter tank, plus a second one of 700 liters in stainless steel and a third one of 400 liters for water. The engine is a 6.1L Tier 4 Deutz, has a Lockman pressurized cabin and wheel adjustment between 2.05M and 2.65M. Tires are Midas 580. The manufacturer talks about 55 meters of bars on Facebook, but in Holland, according to a video on the Tractor Spotter channel, there is a version with an extra Carino 57 meters.